Microsoft Copilot has a new feature called Actions. And if you don't know how to use it, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, my name is Abhay, and as a Microsoft employee, I've been hands-on with Copilot. So today, you'll get a real-world take on what Copilot Actions can actually do. So what even is Copilot Actions? Well, Copilot Actions is a new way for your AI companion to take actions on your behalf. You can prompt to ask Copilot to handle web tasks from booking tickets or even grabbing dinner reservations. Copilot does all of this by operating its own browser that runs in the cloud and in the same way that a person would do via mouse clicks, scrolling, and typing. When a task requires your attention, for example, when your personal information or payment details are required, Copilot will actually ask all these details from you. You can take full control of the action whenever you want. Alright, let's jump into the first one. Let's say I'm planning a trip with my wife. For this, I'll ask Copilot to search for the cheapest flights online. So here I am on copilot.microsoft.com and I'll type a detailed prompt saying this. Find me a flight using Skyscanner and set the departure as LHR and destination as JFK with dates of 1st to the 10th of September. Search economy class for 2 passengers with direct flights only. Also show the cheapest and shortest flights first with a total travel time of 10 hours and look for fares with checked bag. After this, I'll just hit enter and Copilot will take care of the rest. Now, I have increased the playback speed here, but if you see, Copilot takes a moment to process my prompt. Once it is done, it will start to take actions. First up, it opens Skyscanner and after that, it enters the departure and destination city along with the correct travel dates. It then selects the direct flight option and then selects economy class for 2 passengers and clicks on search. On your right is where you can see what Copilot Action is actually taking on your behalf one by one, just as if it were you. If you pay close attention, it's actually showing what steps it's actually taking currently, even acting like a human, and goes about searching the flights based on my preferences. I was really impressed by Copilot Actions when I first used it, and while many may think it's a very simple task, it actually goes to show how AI has advanced and how we can actually now spend our precious times in other things while Copilot Actions can take care of my mundane tasks. Now, I see it has summarized the final results for me and I can now scroll through all of these results and click on any one of them and book a flight directly from here. I don't have to do anything else. Copilot takes care of everything. Alright, now that I've got the flights booked out, let's find a place to stay in New York. So, I'll head back to copilot.microsoft.com and I'll type a detailed prompt saying this. Find me hotels in New York from the 1st to the 10th of September for 2 adults. If the sign-in banner pops up, just click on the cross button and proceed to apply the filters. Select a budget under 500 euros per night and filter for places with breakfast included and free cancellation. And then click on property types as hotels with landmark as Central Park or Times Square. Also select property ratings 3 stars and above and show options with detailed reviews. So from here, Copilot launches a hotel search, usually through bookings.com. And here, just like our previous example, it has started to take action and is currently applying for all the filters based on my prompt. You can see the details of each action in the right-hand side pane. Now, because the prompt was very clear, Copilot is actually able to better handle this task, and that goes to show why prompting these AI tools the right way is so important. If done right, you'll actually get the results exactly as you wanted. I now have a summarized list of hotels based on my preferences. I can see the top rated hotels, scan through reviews and pick one, all without clicking around 5 different filters myself. And because it's using real-time data from the travel sites, I exactly know I'm seeing the most up-to-date listing. So yeah, if you've only been using Copilot to ask random questions, this is the part most people miss. So finally, it's not just an AI chatbot. It's actually capable of getting stuff done for you. Whether it's booking a full trip, planning your calendar, or just simplifying your daily tasks, Copilot Actions can save you real time, especially when you give it a clear, detailed prompt. And if you're curious about how to write a very good prompt, watch this video on the top right-hand corner of the screen where I explain how to write prompt using the prompt framework. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.